Hi besties! Welcome back to another video. I hope all is well on your part. And in this channel, I do in-depth product reviews. And of course, I do daily vlogs as well. So if it seems to be your cup of tea, please do hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside it so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to do a product review. The products that I will be reviewing today is from PYUNKAng YU'L, and it's their newest and freshest calming line. Ito yung pinakabagong release ng PYUNKAng YU'L for the calming line. This is my first time trying out PYUNKAng YU'L skincare products. I have total of 5 skincare products from PYUNKAng YU'L that I'll be sharing with you guys today. My skin condition or my skin type, I do have combination to normal skin. I do have occasional textured and irritated skin. This calming line from PYUNKAng YU'L is perfect for those who have sensitive skin, who have irritated skin, because this will calm your skin. To start off, I have here the PYUNKAng YU'L Calming Toner Pad. And as you can see, sobrang laki niya. Sobrang laki nito sa personal. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect na ganito kalaki yung mga toner pad. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-try ng toner pad, to be honest. And grabe, sobrang na-surprise ako kasi this is a game changer talaga. Parang hindi ko na kailangan ng cotton pad and a toner kasi ito yung kailangan ko na talaga. And sobrang dali niya lang gamitin. Sobrang hassle-free niya gamitin. This calming toner pad from PYUNKAng YU'L contains 70 toner pads, which is sobrang dami. Sobrang soaked siya ng toner or ng essence. This calming toner pad from PYUNKAng YU'L contains AHA and BHA. And that two ingredients is for exfoliating. Usually, ang sizes ng mga toner pad from other brands is 6 cm. But this calming toner pad from PYUNKAng YU'L is 8 cm. Biruin mo, 8 cm siya. Mayroong advantage sa ibang toner pad. Kasi kapag malaki, mas marami yung mailalagay na essence doon sa toner pad, which is very nice. So, talagang malaki siya, Jai. Hindi ko in-expect na malaki talaga yung toner pad niya. Kasi, nung pinanood ko yung video ng StyleKoreanGlobal about this one, parang ang liit-liit niya lang. Kapag tinignan siya sa picture, parang sobrang liit lang. Pero in real life, malaki talaga siya. Sobrang nakaka-overwhelm siya for me na first time makakapag-try ng toner pad. So, meron siyang dalawang side. Yung kabila, meron siyang embossed side. And yung kabila naman, meron siyang softer side ng toner pad, which is really nice kasi you can use it in both ways. You can use it to exfoliate your skin and you can use it as a toner lang, ganon. And I use it both because para masulit ko siya, tsaka para matingnan ko kung ano yung result niya sa skin ko. So, yung embossed side, it's for exfoliating the dead skin cells of your skin. And talagang nakakalis siya, like yung mga excess dirt or excess oil na alis niya, especially nowadays I do my makeup. Talagang ginagamit yung embossed side kasi hindi siya sobrang irritating sa skin. And what I don't like about cotton pads or using cotton pads is that it's very harsh sa skin ko and hindi na ako gumagamit actually ng cotton pads kapag maglalagay ng toner or essence. So what I do is, I first use the embossed side and then I will use the softer side so that I can wipe off the product and to get the most out of it. Ayun. Kapag ginagamit ko tong toner na to, kailangan walang matitirang product kasi sobrang juicy. I use this only at night time. I don't use this at morning kasi I don't like using too much products on my skin. It's not too harsh on my skin. And dahil nga meron siyang madeka sa side, sobrang nourishing, sobrang refreshing, sobrang ganda niya sa skin. What you can do para hindi kayo ma-overwhelm sa laki nitong toner pad is gamitin niyo yung forefinger niyo, like ipatong nyo dito yung toner pad, and then hawakan nyo yung toner pad using your thumb. Ayan, nahawakan nyo siyang ganyan, then wipe it off. For the fragrance naman, PYUNKAng YU'L claims that this product line is fragrance-free. But as soon as I use this products from PYUNKAng YU'L, hindi siya fragrance-free at all kasi may fragrance pa rin siya. So, yung fragrance naman itong toner pad is amoy siyang sunrocks mga Jai. Pero, yung fragrance niya, for me, it's very refreshing. Parang amoy medicinal herb. Pero gusto ko yung fragrance niya. Hindi naman bothering yung fragrance niya at all. And yes, that's all. Sobrang gusto ko tong toner pad na to kasi it really works for my skin and sobrang hassle-free niya. Especially if you are going to travel. But syempre, hindi pa ngayon. So, if you are going to travel or if you are going out of town, ganyan. Tapos, magdadala ka ng skincare products mo, ganyan. Hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng cotton pads and the toner. When you can have this calming toner pad from PYUNKAng YUL. Hindi mo na kailangan ng mga dye. You can have this one on your baggage kasi sobrang hassle-free niya gamitin. This will not also serve as your toner, ganon. This can also serve as your mask. So next, we have the Calming Moisture Serum. And this moisture serum contains 30 ml of product. So if I will compare this to my CosRX serum, mas kaunti to compare doon sa CosRX serum ko. It's really hydrating. It really is. This product contains ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. Kasi yung consistency nitong serum is that between siya ng viscous and watery. Sobrang lightweight niya. May CosRX serum cannot. So yung fragrance naman nitong serum, same lang rin doon sa toner pad ng PYUNKAng YUL. It's very parang medicinal herb yung fragrance niya. So I'll show you guys how it looks like. Look. Diba? Sobrang runny niya talaga. As you can see, sobrang runny niya. The viscosity of this serum is there, but the watery texture is there. That's why, kapag in-apply ko to sa skin ko, sobrang daling ma-absorb ng skin ko nito. Kasi nga, watery yung texture niya, which is plus points for me. PYUNKAng YUL, you did a great job there. A serum can be hydrating without heavy formulation. Kasi yung formulation nito, sobrang ganda, sobrang lightweight niya lang. It can be used here sa weather natin kasi wala siyang sticky residue na iniiwan. I use this every night lang. Pero perfect din to kapag umaga kasi sobrang lightweight, walang sticky finish. Next product, we have the Calming Moisture Repair Balm. Yes, this is a moisturizer pero nasa ganitong tab lang siya. So, feeling ko yung concept ng PYUNKAng YUL is parang prescription type of packaging yung concept ng PYUNKAng YUL for the calming line. Kasi, napansin ko dito, parang kamukha niya yung mga prescription product from dermatologist, ganon. Parang ganon yung vibe niya kasi meron akong ditong cream from a dermatologist na very prescription type of dermatologist talaga yung packaging. Same rin sa packaging nitong PYUNKAng YUL Calming Line. So, this Calming Moisture Repair Balm is a moisturizer. So, sobrang liit niya lang. Kasing liit niya yung Dear Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Pero, this one is 30 ml. Marami na din siya. What I noticed about this moisture repair balm is that yung texture niya very different from the moisturizer that I've tried. Yung texture niya is very balmy. So, if you are using lip balm or if you are fond of using lip balm, yung texture ng lip balm, kapag na-feel niyo sa lips niyo, yung texture ng mga lip balms, parang texture nitong moisture repair balm ng PYUNKAng YUL. Ganun yung texture niya. Wait, I'll show you. So, ayan. This is what it looks like. Hindi siya heavy kind of moisturizer. Again, it's very lightweight. Pero yung texture niya, it's like a lip balm. Ganon. So, I wanted to address this one since I wanted to share my thoughts and my experiences about the products that I'm trying. But as well as I wanted to share the things that the brand can still improve for their products for the customer satisfactory. For the toner pad, I believe they should include a tweezer on this product because it's really hard to get the toner pad with just my fingers. Mas hygienic siya and hindi siya gagamitan ng kahit anong contact from my finger or my hands. Dagdag pa kasi na nahihirapan ako sa pagbuha ng toner pad. That's why a tweezer is a must for this kind of product. So, nahihirapan akong kunin siya. Like, kailangan ko muna paghiwalayin yung nakadikit sa kanyang toner pad sa ilalim. Isisingit ko lang yung tip ko for this one. If you are going to use a toner pad, any toner pad that you like, make sure that you are going to turn it like this before using or before getting your toner pad for your routine, because nasa ilalim yung essence and you want that the essence is on the top part of the toner pad. They should include a spatula, like a small spatula for this moisture repair balm so that it will be more hygienic. Mabuting may included na ganun na tools para mas hygienic, diba? Mas ma-prioritize and hindi ma-compromise yung hygiene nung gagamit and nung product mismo. We have the Calming Moisture Mist, and this is my most favorite product for this line. The Calming Moisture Mist is really refreshing to the skin, and I'm not really fan of mist talaga. Sobrang ganda nitong Calming Moisture Mist na to. It's very refreshing, it's very hydrating, it's very nourishing to the skin. I can feel my skin really nourished, and feeling ko sobrang saya ng skin ko kapag ito yung gamit ko kasi sobrang dewy ng skin ko. As in, when I use this one, grabe. Sobrang gusto ko to, and yung spritz nitong product na to is very nice. It's yung spritz niya sobrang sarap sa mukha. Tapos yung spritz niya hindi siya yung direktang ganyan. Like yung spritz nito parang ganyan siya. And sobrang fine ng mist nito, which I really love kasi mas madali siyang ma-absorb ng skin ko kapag very fine yung nilalabas niya na product. So, yeah, I really love this one. Sobrang refreshing. And yung fragrance niya, it's very calming. It's very refreshing yung amoy niya. Nakakailang spray ako nito sa face ko kasi sobrang gusto ko yung formulation nitong Calming Moisture Mist na to. And sobrang hydrating niya. We are now down to the last part. So, I have here the Clear Spot Patch from Pyeongchang Yul. This is a spot treatment for your acne. And I don't usually use spot treatment kasi I find it unnecessary for my skin type. So, this Clear Spot Patch comes in a resealable packaging. Hindi siya mahalata sa skin mo kapag naka-makeup ko or kapag bare skin ka. Hindi siya mahalata. They claim it to be like that. Pero, nung natry ko na siya, oh my gosh, no. It's far from its claims. And medyo na-disappoint ako kasi ito yung first time na nakapag-try ako. And tuwang-tawa ako nung una na sabi ko, oh my gosh, transparent siya, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi siya visible. Siguro sobrang ganda nito kapag nilagay ko siya under my makeup. Tapos hindi siya mahalata, ganon. This spot care is a hydrocolloid patch with a beveling type to make it less visible. This spot patch contains 10mm and 12mm size, and you can decide which one to use, which sizes do you want to use depending on your size of your acne. So, kada sizes meron siyang 9 na piraso. Nung nilagay ko siya, okay, it's fine lang. Pero, nung una sabi ko, oh my gosh, hindi siya halata. Tapos sabi ko, surprise ako kasi hindi siya halata sa skin ko. Sobrang amazed ako nun na. Nung kinagabihan na yon, nagtatanong si Papa, sabi niya, ano yan nasa skin mo? Bakit parang bukol? Ganyan. Tapos, oh my God, halata pala siya kapag titingnan ako sa mukha. Yung pimple ko, hindi naman siya masyadong malaki, hindi naman siya namumula, pero after I removed the first one that I applied, grabe, sobrang namumula yung pimple ko, as in parang lumaki siya, sobrang namumula, ganon, sobrang namabaga yung pimple ko, as in, oh my gosh, sobrang namumula yung pimple ko noon. Tapos, second day, I applied again, so that I can see kung effective ba, kung may ginagawa ba siya sa skin ko, pero, ayun, sobrang namumula lang talaga yung pimple ko after I remove it. So, I'll flash pictures of me after I remove the spot care. You will use this a lot more so that you can see the results that will bring to your skin. For the calming line, ito yung hindi ko nagustuhan kasi it does not work with my acne problem. So, yeah, it's not for me talaga. This is my least favorite for this skincare line from Pyeongchang Yul. So, that sums up for our product review for the Pyeongchang Yul Calming line. I can suggest my most favorite from the brand, which is the Calming Toner Pad, the Calming Moisture Repair Balm, and the Calming Moisture Serum, and the Calming Moisture Mist. This is the 4 products that I can recommend to you guys, especially for my besties who have sensitive and irritated skin, and I can attest to that since I have occasional irritated skin. Wondering where you can get my favorite products from Pyeongchang Yul Calming line? You can get this at StyleKoreanGlobal.com. They have a website where you can shop my favorite products from their calming line, and I will link it down below if you wanted to ease and calm your stressed skin. Also, don't forget to follow StyleKoreanGlobal on Instagram and on their Facebook page to be updated whenever they have discounts exclusively for you. So, malaking tipid rin kapag may makukuha kayong discounts from StyleKoreanGlobal. Also, don't forget to follow PYUNKAng YUL'S on Instagram so that you can be updated whenever they have new product launches, since PYUNKAng YUL'S is really a great brand. I really love them. Just a disclaimer, the products that I mentioned earlier is gifted to me by StyleKoreanGlobal, and rest assured that all thoughts are mine. Anyways, I wanted to thank StyleKoreanGlobal for working with me again for the second time around, and I'm so grateful that I got to work with you again. That's all for today's video. I really hope that you find this video helpful and insightful on your part, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye!